King Dakar has came to its retirement. Now, Six Flags Great America in New Jersey has announced that King Dakar, the world's tallest coaster, reaching a whopping 456 feet and was manufactured by Intamin, has closed to make way for a new multi-world record coaster opening in 2026. Now, I do think that this is not the only ride at the park that has made way for this coaster. The Green Lantern at the park as well has also closed. But it is very sad for the park to be closing King Dakar, and such a beloved ride for theme park enthusiasts out in America. Obviously, that was probably one of the most popular rides in the park itself. Obviously, reaching a whopping 456 feet in the air. People obviously want to go and ride that and experience for themselves instead of watching on-ride POVs on YouTube or on the internet. Now, obviously, this new 2026 coaster now is what everyone's rumouring and speculation. Now, obviously, there has been no further details on this 2026 coaster. All we do know is that it is a multi-world record coaster. Obviously, it could be manufactured by Intamin again. It also could be manufactured by B&M. So we're not too sure who the manufacturer is. All we know is it's going to be opening in 2026 and it's going to be a multi-world record coaster. Now, what I think the park could have improved is that King Dakar had no public notice of when it was going to be shut or closing for the day or for its retirement or forever. So what I really think Six Flags Great Adventure could have improved on is the communication. Now, obviously, the communication with the public and with Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey was quite off and quite bad. Obviously, it is Six Flags' job to make people notice that King Dakar was closing. Obviously, to get people's final rides on it. This adventure really does obviously pay off for the CEO. Obviously, they might not have known that King Dakar was going to be shutting today. They might have shut it in a few days' time. But obviously they could have shut it in a few days' time or in advance so people can get down to the park and ride it for one last time. But apart from that, stay aquatic everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.